see how we have done till now squares. Now in this exercise, we'll be learning about cube and cube root. Very simple, students. Like in squares, for example, if I want 3 ka square, what I do is 3 to the power of 2 and I multiply 3 2 times. Similarly, when we're talking about the cube, 3 cube, that means we have to multiply 3 times. Similarly, 10 cube, answer is 27. 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10. That is nothing but 1000. And in a similar way, in case if they ask you to find the cube root, so how to find this is physically the cube. Now, how we have found the square root. For example, if I want to find a square root for 25, it's 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Similarly, for cubes, in case if they ask me to find the cube root of 125, here we used to make the pair of 2, here we have to make the pair of 3. Hence, 5 cube. That means, if you want to present, how to present the sum for square root? We should do square root of 25 is 5 square. We never used to mention anything because when nothing is written, it's understood is 2, and hence the answer is 5. But for cube root, you have to mention cube root of 125 is cube root of 5 cube. After here also, students, that this and this cancels. Here also this and this cancels. The answer will be only 5. So this is cube and this is a cube root. So in cube root, simple, we have to follow exactly like a square root only. But here we have to make a pair of 2. Here we have to make a pair of 3. That's the only difference. We'll start with the exercise 3. So I have written question 1 ka all the parts over here. So over here, 16 cube is nothing but 16 into 16 into 16. 16 to 16 is 256. Into 16 is 4096. So simple, you just have to multiply the same number 3 times to get the answer. Same thing, 30 cube. So 30 into 30 into 30, that is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 is 27 and 3 zeros is the answer. Now 1.2 cube is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. So students, first ignoring the decimals, 12 12 is 144 into 12. So obviously 1.2 to 1.2 there were 2 decimals, 1 and 1, and here 1.2. Now if I multiply this, I'll get 1728, and total there are 3 decimals, so 1.728 is the answer. Same way, question number 4 also, 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. 7 sevens are 49, 48 sevens are 343, and there are 3 decimals, 1, 2, 3, and 0.343 is the answer. Then 0.06 into 0.06 into 0.06. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 is 216. Now how many decimal students? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the answer. So again now, 6th question, 2 upon 5 cube is 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5, 2 4 2 2 are 4 4 2 are 8, 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125 is the answer. 1 ka cube is 1 into 1 into 1, and this is 9 into 9 into 9. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 9 9 is 81, 81 9 is 729. Now question number 8. You can first cover this into a mixed fraction. You can convert first this into the improper fraction. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 5. And now 8 upon 5 cube. 8 8s are 64, 64 8 is 512 upon 125. Upon 125 is the answer. So we have finished the question number 1. Question 2 we have to find. Examine which are the following numbers are perfect cubes. In each case of the perfect cube, find the cube root. So over here, students, when they are given the number, first I'll find the factors. Over here you have to find the cube root. If you find the factors, you will get a pair of 3. That means you can find the cube root. If you cannot have a pair of 3, that means you cannot find the cube root over here. So now 729. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So yes, I have a pair of 3 3. That means I can find the cube root. Now how to find the cube root? Cube root of 729. You have to mention cube root over here. Very important. We have 2 pairs of 3 as a cube. So now this 1 3 will come out because 3 will get cancelled. Again 3 will get cancelled. So the answer is 9. So cube root of 729 is 9. Second part is 1 3 3 1. So now over here I know it goes in 11th table. 11 ones are 11 2s are 11 ones are 11 11s are 11 ones are. So again yes, cube root of 1331 is cube root of 11 cube. Again 3 will get cancelled. The answer is 11. Third part. So students, it's a very simple thing. In case you can make a group of 3, you can find a cube root. If you cannot make a group of 3, you cannot find a cube root. So here we'll just see 5 3 2 4 2 20 6 2 6 2 2 2 13 2 3 1 11 1 2 1 11 11 sir 11 sir. You cannot find the cube root over here because there is for 2 there is not a group of 3. That means for 11 we have a group of 3, but for 2 we don't have a group of 3. That means you cannot find the cube root. Now the part 4. Three 375. It goes in 3 card table. 3 11s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 3 3s are 9 3 4s are 12 3 7s are 21 sorry and 3 5s are 15 3 12s are 3 5s are 5 5. Yeah, so here we have a group of 3 also and group of 5 also. So cube root of 3375 is possible. 3 cube and 5 cube. That is 3 into 5. The answer is 15. Question part 5th. 9261. So here 3 3s are 9, doesn't go. 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 3 10s are 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 3 3s are 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 7 7s are. Yes, again you can see that cube root of 9261 is possible because we have a pair of we have a group of 3 and a group of 7. That is cube root of 3 cube and 7 cube. So 3 into 7, that is 21. 6 parts, 5 8 3 2. Now I'll do 6 and 8. 7 so you all try by yourself. They all are same only. The 6th part is 5 8 3 2. So yeah, we have a group of 3 and 2 both. So cube root of 5 8 3 2 is cube root of 2 cube 3 cube 3 cube. So that's 2 into 3 into 3, 9 2s are 18. So till now we have finished till for second ka 6 parts. Now we'll be doing 8. 7 so you will try by yourself. eighth part I'll be doing right now. Second eighth part 10584. Same way again. 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 3 Yeah, students, I have a group of 3 over here, but here I have only 2. That means the cube root is not possible of 10584. Now, similarly, question 3, question 4, and question 5. We know that they are not perfect cube, and accordingly, they have asked us that what you will multiply or what you will divide to get them in a perfect cube. Similarly, students, if I ask you only over here, if I want to make a perfect cube, what I should multiply? So you will say, sir, already have a group of 3 over here, group of 3 over here. Here we have only 2. So if I multiply one more 7, I will get a group of 3 over here also. That means the number to multiply for this number will be 7 to get a perfect cube. But in case if they ask me, sir, what number you have to divide in the same case to get a perfect cube? So simple, the number doesn't have a perfect cube. That means this is the number doesn't have a perfect cube. 7 7s are 49. That means you have to divide this number by 49 to get a perfect cube. That means if you divide by 49, this will go. So we will be just left with 2 and 3 ka cube and we will get a perfect cube. So here we will be doing the same thing, same concept in question number 3, 4 and 5. Question 3. Find the smallest number by which 1 3 2 3 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. They have not asked also that find the perfect cube. Just ask the number to be multiplied. So 3 4s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 3 7s are, 3 7 7s are, 7. Same students, same sum. We have done from 1 3 2 3 because the same thing. So the number to be multiplied is 7 to get a perfect cube. In case if they were to ask me, find the cube root, then simple. The cube root would have been 3 cube into, now I have multiplied 7 also, will become 7 ka cube. Then the answer would have been 3 7s are 21. If they would have asked, this is extra I have done. They were asked me just what number to be multiplied. So the number to be multiplied is 7. Now, what is the smallest number by which 1600 must be divided to get a perfect cube? So 1600, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 hundreds are, 2 25, 5, 5 and 5. So you have 2 ka cube, 2 ka cube. Here I do not have 5 ka cube. That means the number to be divided is 25. And same way, if they asked me the cube root, then the answer would have been, I would have removed this. So the answer would have been only 2 cube into 2 cube. After division, the answer would have been 4. Same thing, question number 5 is like the question 3. What number should be multiplied? So obviously I have showed you what number to be multiplied. You can do the same way question number 5 also. In case you have difficulty, you can let me know in our Zoom class. You have to find the cube root only same way, but just in fraction. So 216 and 2197, I will find the cube root. So 2108, 254, 227, 39, 33 and 31. And here, yeah, so last number is 7. So it is like possible 3 ka cube, but 3 doesn't go into 197. So I'll try with now 13, because 13 into 13 into 13, 3 3s are 9, 9 3 are 27. I can try with 13 ka table. 13 1s are 13, 89, 13 6 are 78, 13 9s are 117. 13 13s are and 13 1s are. Yeah, it is possible. So now cube root of 216 upon 2197 will be cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube, and this is 13 cube. So when I take a cube root, I get 2 into 3 upon 13. The answer is already in your proper fraction. So we can give the answer as this. 4508 upon 1731. So here students a mixed fraction, you have to make it improper fraction first. So you have to multiply this and add this. So this into this plus this is 5832. Now find the cube root. To find the factors. This you already found. This is 11 ka cube. Now here 229. This also I found earlier. Nine, and 9. And this is 11. So cube root of 5832 upon 1331 is nothing but 2 ka cube, 9 ka cube upon 11 cube. So 2 into 9 upon 11, that is 18 upon 11. I'll get the answer in mixed fraction. Now the last sum of this exercise, 42.875. I have told you students earlier also, whenever there are decimals, please remove the decimals upon 1000. Yeah. So now first find 42875. 6, 8, 14, 21. 6, 8, 14. 28, 5, 5 are 25. 5, 7 are 5, 5 are 5, 17 are 5. 5, 3 are 15. Yeah, there is no need to find a cube root of 1000 because we know that cube root of 1000 is nothing but 10. 10 ka cube is 1000. So cube root of 42875 upon 1000 is nothing but cube root of 5 cube, 7 cube upon 10 cube. So when I remove this, students, this 3 has to be inside the root. So 5 into 7 upon 10, 35 upon 10 is 3.5. The answer is in decimal. The question was in decimal, the answer also is in decimal. Here the question was in mixed fraction, the answer also is in mixed fraction. So by this we have finished your entire chapter number 3.